In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel tank straps on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a jack, we're going to jack up on the fuel tank. Make sure it is supported. We're going to use a little bit of penetrating fluid on the fuel tank bolts. Using a deep 14mm socket. There's a hole in the bottom of our subframe that we can fish this up through, and we can get onto the nut. Remove the nut. Repeat the same process on the other side. I'm going to use a pry bar to help me get the strap off of the stud. Pull the strap out. Twist the fuel tank strap inside of the bracket. Get it to that top corner and pop it out and remove the fuel tank strap. Repeat the same process on the other side. Remove the fuel tank strap. Get the strap in place and set into the bracket. With the bracket in place, twist it over and install it into the bracket. Install the strap up and over the subframe and get it started on the stud. Get the nut started. Snug it down. Torque the fuel tank strap nut to 40 foot-pounds. Repeat the same process on the other side. Install the strap up over the subframe. Get it started on the stud. Snug the nut down. Torque the nut to 40 foot-pounds. Remove the jack. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.